Hey loves, in today's video I will be doing some deep cleaning in preparation for the upcoming holidays. I do have two different birthdays that I'm celebrating this month, my daughter and my son. It is also Thanksgiving, which is very tough as well because my mom is not with us, but she is in our thoughts and in our memories, and we love her dearly. And I'm going to host Thanksgiving for my family. And if you're interested in just seeing how I was able to prepare and get a few things done, in spite of how hard it is to, get through this time. She left us with so many great things, and I feel that it's only right to, remember her in that light and not always sit in the sorrow of it all. So I also will be showing you her recipe to her famous sweet potato pie that I got a chance to share many years of spending that day helping her and learning how to, master that recipe. And so today, Thanksgiving, not today, but Thanksgiving is just a day to remember a great woman. And yeah, I hope I'm not like saddening you guys out. But if you're interested to see me deep clean, prepare Thanksgiving dinner, and what I got to in the month of November as a mom, just go ahead and subscribe. I would love for you to, become a part of my journey. We're about to do a little grocery haul. I know, I'm silly. Hold on. Okay, my air conditioner is going, so let's do a quick grocery haul. And my hands are dry, so don't pay attention. We gonna have candy yams. I'm about to do a cinnamon, orange, vanilla extract boil to make the house smell sweet. We got vanilla wafers. I gotta go get more boxes because they really don't have any but the Publix brand on the shelf, and I want vanilla wafers. We have brown sugar. We have bananas. We have a macaroni. We have cornbread. 4 boxes, 3 boxes. We have something for the kids, sparkling rose grape. And then we have sangria for me. Oh God. Sangria for me. We have collard greens, ham hocks, and ribs in the sink. If you were wondering, that's the sangria that I drink. So I ended up finding these, and they actually have like cinnamon. You guys see that? Okay. So I ended up finding these, and they're about to die because they're not getting any water at all. So we gotta immediately do that. So let me grab a vase. I was debating which vase to use. Put them in that thing under there. I was debating on which vase to use, whether to use this one or to use this one. Let's see. I have a total of 9. I feel like this is overkill, but if anything, I eat potatoes out of the thing, so it's a win-win. It's a win-win. So this is going in the oven for like 3 hours. 3 eggs, that's it. Let's start with eggs. Right, the stems in there.
Last time we used a lot of flour and it came out like. I think Grandma said on the thing to use 2.5 cups of flour.
It's really hard to hold this and pour. Can I make another one? Why they cooking so heavy? See, I have more brown sugar. Okay. Okay, you can turn it off.
Also, we have to warn you, the bottom. Are these? It's cookies. It's cookies, banana.
Giving Christmas and birthday.
To my beautiful daughter, never forget that I love you forever. Life is a journey full of challenges. Just do your best. Stand tall. Your crown might tilt, but don't ever let it fall. When you are too afraid to look ahead, look right beside you. I will always be there. I love you.
Pero espérate, y yo voy a poner.
Oh my god, I saw this at TikTok. These like one of those Target sets.